Hello all, welcome to NSA Maths. So today we are going to learn the next method to find particular integral, that is called method of variation of parameter. So for this method, let us consider second order differential equation a0 d square y by dx square plus a1 dy by dx plus a2y is equals to f of x. So we are going to solve this second order non-homogeneous differential equation by using method of variation of parameter. So what is the method? So see, this is second order differential equation, and you know that for the second order differential equation, auxiliary equation has two roots. So in CF we will get two constants. So CF will be written for this second order differential equation as C1 into Y1 plus C2 into Y2. Now to find particular integral, we suppose that let particular integral for this second order differential equation is uy1 plus vy2. So to get actual particular integral for this given second order differential equation, we need to calculate the value of u and value of v. So for that, value of u is given by the formula integration minus y to f of x upon w dx, and value of v is given by the formula integration y1 f of x upon w dx, where w is called Wronskian and value of w can be calculated by using the determinant of first row y1 y2, second row y1 dash y2 dash. So this is the actual procedure to calculate the values of u and v. After calculating the values of u and v, put in the particular integral, so you will get the particular integral uy1 plus vy2. That is our final answer. So this is the method of variation of parameter to find the solution of second order differential equation. Now when shortcut method is not applicable, then we used general method, but sometimes for using general method integration is lengthy, so that time we can use the method of variation of parameter. So first example, solve the differential equation d square plus 4 into y is equals to cosec 2x. So we have to solve this differential equation, non-homogeneous differential equation, by using method of variation of parameter. So for that, first we are required to calculate complementary function. Note down, for the method of variation of parameter, the complementary function is very important, because if we didn't find the complementary function, we didn't get values of y1 and y2, so it is impossible to find the particular integral by using variation of parameter. So for that, the complementary function is very important. So auxiliary equation is d square plus 4 equals to 0. That means value of d square is minus 4. So this gives the roots d is equals to plus minus root of minus 4. That means plus minus 2i. So the roots are imaginary and non-repeated. So CF is C1 cos of 2x plus C2 sin of 2x, since the value of alpha is 0 and value of beta is 2 here. So our CF is e raised to alpha, that means e raised to 0x. Value of e raised to 0x is 1 into bracket C1 cos 2x plus C2 sin 2x, because value of beta is 2. Now see, the CF is C1 cos 2x plus C2 sin 2x. Our actual CF is C1 y1 plus C2 y2. That means value of y1 is coefficient of C1 and value of y2 is coefficient of C2. So here y1 is cos 2x and y2 is sin 2x. particular integral is given by uy1 plus vy2. So we have to calculate the values of u and v. So what is formula for u? Integration of minus y to f of x upon w dx, and formula for v, integration of y1 f of x upon w dx. So to calculate u and v, first we require the value of w, that is Wronskian. So the formula for w is determinant of y1, y2, y1 dash, y2 dash. So this is equals to what is the value of y1? y1 is cos 2x. y2, value of y2 is sin 2x. Then y1 dash, so derivative of cos 2x, it is minus sin 2x into 2. So 2 sin 2x. And derivative of sin 2x, it is 2 times cos 2x. So solving this determinant, we will get cos 2x into 2 times cos 2x, that is 2 times cos square 2x, minus sin, then sin 2x into 2 times sin 2x, so minus minus becomes plus, 2 times sin square 2x. Taking 2 common, we will get cos square 2x plus sin square 2x. We know that the value of cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1, so we will get here w is equals to 2. Now put this value of w to calculate u and v. Therefore u is equals to integration of minus y to f of x upon w dx. Putting all these values, you will get integration minus y to, value of y2 is sin 2x into f of x. F of x nothing but the right hand side of our, into f of x. Value of f of x is the right hand side of our given differential equation. So it is equals to cosec 2x upon w, that is Wronskian. The value of w is 2 into dx. So this is equals to that minus sign taking outside, denominator is 2 taking outside, so minus 1 by 2 integration of sin 2x into cosec 2x. Cosec can be written as 1 upon sin, so into 1 upon sin 2x dx. Now here sin 2x and sin 2x get cancelled, we will get minus 1 by 2 integration of dx, that is equals to minus 1 by 2 integration of dx is x. So this is value of u. Now to calculate v, formula is integration of y1 f of x upon w dx. This is equals to integration of value of y1, it is cos 2x into f of x cosec 2x upon w is 2 dx. So this is equals to 1 by 2 outside, integration of cos 2x into cosec 2x can be written as 1 upon sin 2x dx. This is equals to 1 by 2 times integration of, here cos 2x upon sin 2x. Cos 2x upon sin 2x, it is part of 2x dx. So this is equals to 1 by 2 into integration of cot 2x. What is integration of cot 2x? So it is log of cosec 2x upon 2. So after simplifying, we will get 1 by 2 into that 1 by 2, it is 1 by 4 log of cosec 2x. So this is value of v. Therefore our particular integral is uy1 plus vy2. Putting all these values, value of y1 is cos of 2x into value of u is minus 1 by 2x plus value of y2 is sin 2x into v is 1 by 4 log of cosec 2x. So simplifying this, we will get minus 1 by 2x into cos 2x plus 1 by 4 sin 2x log of cosec 2x. That is our particular integral. Therefore the general solution is given by y is equals to cf plus pi. Value of cf is c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x plus pi is minus 1 by 2 x cos 2x plus 1 by 4 sin 2x into log of cosec 2x. So that is our final solution. Next example we will see in the next video. Thank you.